Hi, Ms. Wright and classroom management classmates. I'm going to preface this by saying I don't really have anyone that can have pretend to be my students right now so that I can practice this technique. I definitely am not working in a classroom currently, and I don't have access to a classroom thanks to our national health crisis. That being said, what a great thing it would be for me to just pretend that I am doing a Zoom math class, for some distant learners, which I think is pretty relevant for today. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get started. Okay. Hey, mathematicians. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to do a quick little lesson. We've been talking a lot about equations, and I just want you guys to remember that when you first start learning about equations, it can be kind of tricky. It can be really tricky sometimes. So um, just keep that in mind, and I've got one already written down. We're gonna look at it, and we're gonna throw some answers out there and see what we get. I'm gonna shrink myself. Okay. So I have 2x equals 8. So what I'm gonna do is, hopefully y'all remember to bring scratch paper and a pencil this time. I would like you to please think about this for a couple seconds and then work it out on scratch paper if you need to. I'm going to take the first three answers that are different that I get in the chat box, and I'm going to record them here in the document. So let's see if we can solve this equation. Oh, I got my first one. Okay, we got a 6. Let's see, waiting for the next one. Oh, there's a 3. Okay, and then somebody just put in a 4. All right, so let's stop there. These are the first 3 that I received that were different, so we're going to go with those. What we're going to do here, I am going to take these answers that you mathematicians gave me, and we're going to substitute them in here for x. And we're going to see if it makes our equation true. So let's do this first one. So 2, we substitute the 6 in for x, we end up with 2 times 6. 2 times 6 equals 8. If you guys, you guys have already put all your answers in that chat box. If you want to change your answer, do it. Like if you figure it out, definitely go in there and change your answer, because then it'll come up in my chat window and I'll see that you're figuring it out. So feel free. Okay, so we have 2 times 6. What is 2 times 6? Well, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 equals 8. Does 12 equal 8? Does that make our equation true? No. So we're going to put a line through that one. And then let's do the same thing with this answer. We're just going to substitute it in for the x. I see more of you changing your answers. That's great. I'm so proud of you guys. All right, so we have 2 times 3 this time. 2 times 3 equals 8. So what is 2 times 3? Well, 2 times 3 is 6. 6, and we carry that, well, not carry, but we bring that 8 down here. 6 equals 8. You like that 8? That's crazy. Does 6 equal 8? Does that make our statement true? 6 equals 8? Okay, so let's put a line through that one. All right, last one we're going to try. We're going to substitute that 4 in for the x this time. So we have 2 times 4 equals 8. And what is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. So we bring the rest of the equation down. And 8 equals 8. Does 8 equal 8? Yes, of course. 8 equals 8. So we're going to circle that one. And I just want to say I am so proud of you guys. I can see in the chat box that even before we worked out that last one, tons of you were changing your answer. And you know what that means? That means you're figuring it out. So you should definitely be proud of yourself. That's a great job. And that's it for today. So I'm going to go, and thanks again for joining me. And I will definitely see you back here tomorrow. Bye.